Welcome to my channel. Today I am mixing the small and capital letters. We mix first, then we find the letters and arrange in series. ABC series. Now we are mixing. First we are mixing. Now we are find. You can find with me. Okay, you can find with me. We are find first A. A. Where is A? Where is A? Wow, this one is A. This is a capital A. This one is a capital A. A. A for apple. A for apple. We can arrange here. This is the A. A. Now we are find the small A from these letters. Now we are finding the small A. Oh yes, this one is a small A. A. This one is a small A. A for apple. Now we put these. Now we are finding the capital B. Where is the capital B? You can find. Oh, yes. This one is a capital B. Capital B. This one is a capital B. We can arrange these letters. Now we can find the small b. This one, yes, wow, great. This one is a small b. B. This one is a small b. Now we are finding the C. Where is the C? I think this one. Yes, this one is a capital C. This one is a capital C. Now we are finding the small c. Where is the small c? Yes, this one is the small c. Now we are finding the A, B, C. After that D. We are finding the capital D. This one is a capital D. Capital D. We are finding the small d. This one is a small d. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. A. B. C. D. A. B. C. D. A. B. C. D. We are arranging the ABC small and capital letters. Wow, great!